So our first method of cleaning is probably the oldest one. It starts with a sprayer, and this sprayer, what it does is it puts a solution down on the carpet, and then what we do is we use the Bonnet. It's called the Bonnet method on a buffer, and what this buffer does is moves around the carpet, and it's very good at spot cleaning, and you can do large areas with it. It's not expensive equipment wise, and the majority of janitors use this method. However, the carpet manufacturers such as Shaw, the largest, doesn't recommend this method because it causes fiber distortion, and yet the majority of janitors are still using this method. Our second method is the encapsulation method using the Cyclinal machine. Now, the solution is drop fed into the carpet by the tank above the machine, and it scrubs the carpet and it encapsulates the dirt. Then when the solution is dry, this method requires you to vacuum the carpet to remove all the soil that's brought to the surface. Doesn't necessarily have to be done right away, but within the next few days, vacuuming is imperative. Our third method of cleaning is using a machine with a cylindrical brush, and before you start using the brush, you need a sprayer to put the solution down on the carpet, and then the brush with rotating brushes works the solution into the carpet to encapsulate it and bring it to the surface. After the carpet is dry, again, this method requires you to vacuum the carpet, and that is imperative. One important note about vacuuming is it seems like with these three methods, most people do not do the thorough vacuuming that's required to do a good job. Remember, the dirt is still on the surface of the carpet and it needs to be vacuumed up. But if it's not done, that dirt just continues to stay in the carpet and work its way down deep into the carpet. So if the dirt is still left in the carpet, this can cause micro abrasion and excess wear to the carpet. So we've seen three basic methods that are involved in basic maintenance. Now we're going to move on to what the carpet manufacturers recommend at least once a year, and that is the most thorough cleaning you can do. And now we're going to what used to be called Qualcomm Stadium to show what the truck mount cleaning is all about. Notice this wand. It basically is a flushing tool with high temperature using the solution, and sucks right back up again into the wand and down to the truck. All exhaust is taken back down to the truck. Watch how easy it is to pull out these stains in the carpet using high temperature, high pressure, and high suction. There is no residue when this method is done, and no need for vacuuming. We see the hose going back down to the truck, to the equipment, and we see this equipment is not small, but it's very complicated, and this machine with all this power can do up to 35 stories on a high-rise. This is a soft water tank which produces the soft water to rinse the carpet, because soft water rinses better than hard water. This blue hose is the waste water coming out of the tank going into a sanitary supply. So we've covered three maintenance method, and the deep cleaning method, as you can see, as the most thorough method of cleaning and is recommended by all carpet manufacturers. In the end, if you maintain your carpet properly, it will last indefinitely.